How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, make sure your Snapchat application has been downloaded from App Store or Play Store. Now long press on the Snapchat app icon and choose I button. You will access the Snapchat app info section. Select storage uses and tap clear cache. You can even clear the data if you remember your login info, as deleting your Snapchat data will make you to log in back to your Snapchat. To do that, select Manage Space and then tap the delete button. So this will delete snaps and chats, login, settings, personal info, and app activity. If you don't want to do that, tap cancel button. And now completely close the app info section and go ahead and open settings on your device. Scroll down and navigate to additional settings and choose date and time. Make sure you turn off set time automatically, and then you need to simply change your date and time. So you can easily change your date and time with this and then fix Snapchat ban on Snapchat. So I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.